What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, so we're right here where we left off. I was talking about the energy drinks. I totally forgot to talk about these kombuchas. Look you guys, we have this new brand called Co. It's organic kombucha. We have mango and we also have raspberry dragon fruit. Both of them come with probiotics. And then we have, I think this is new this week, protein 2.0 lemongrass chamomile. Actually, no, I've seen that before. Yeah, you guys, but I was ranting and raving about a particular Bang energy drink that I tried last week in, I believe the flavor was root beer. So I'm going to try this one this week. I was really loving it and it gave me crazy amounts of energy. But okay, you guys, let's head on over here. I know it may be a little bit off season, but look, you guys, who remembers Keds? Let me know in the comments, did you ever own a pair of Keds? We have Keds tights. These are footed tights, 2 pairs of lightweight tights. Look, you guys, $7.99. These go for $7.99 everywhere else, and these are children's sizes. Take a little screenshot if you want to figure out what sort of size you may need. 2 to a pack, just the black and white. And then this location has tons of shirts. We have the Gildan collared shirts. This is a new one for the week. We have the Gildan heavy cotton pre-shrunk women's shirt. I really love the yellow. You can't beat it. Getting a shirt for $1.25. We have a V-neck American Apparel. We have a blue American Apparel, a Gildan. We have some sort of fall Gildan performance tops. We have navy and all style. The brand is all style. We have pocketed all styles. This is an adult small. We have this sort of grayish blue by All Style, and these all feel really nice. We even have a Gildan tank in burgundy, heavy cotton. It's really nice to know what's in here. It's nice to know that you can just run in here and grab a shirt. Maybe you want to grab a shirt to dye your hair in, or get one to clean the house in, or maybe you have a little project in mind. This is Comfort Colors, and it comes with a pocket. We also have this sort of really nice camel by Gildan. Again, kind of a fall color. We have a light gray by Delta Pro Weight. Some red shirts by Hanes. This is Anvil, navy by Delta. Yeah, lots of nice shirts in here. What is this? Sneaker and shoe deodorizer, 9.5 ounces. We also have suede and nubuck cleaner, and it has the scrubby lid on the top. Nice. I found some really nice gold toe hiking socks last week, like boot socks. This week we have these Therapy Plus non-binding men's work socks, and they feel really plush. It's probably covering up a price tag. These are definitely like $8 to $10 socks. Really, really nice quality. Super nice. Let's see if we have any other name brands. Sometimes we see socks that are here from Walgreens or CVS. This is a name brand, Gold Toe, once again. And these retail for $4.99 each. These are the baseball socks. I love this location. Now, in my last video, I was showing you guys, let's see if I can find it. We have some 4-packs here, and they come as a 4-pack. 10 calories each, I think 0 sugar. Yeah, I don't think they have any sugar at all. And they're bundled as a 4-pack. The Zing Zang margarita mixes are still here, as well as the sugar-free 0-calorie mojito and margarita mixes. These are still here as well. There was a 4-pack of, oh, I see them.
All the other flavors.
Or maybe it's a 6-pack. Excuse me. Okay. Pure apple juice and sparkling water. It's another 4-pack for $1.25. Another 4-pack. Pure apple juice with sparkling water. What's this? Blended naturals, real apples and real carrots. That's new this week as well. So many things to look at. Ooh, what are these? The little sundae cups. Let's take a peek. We have caramel, we have strawberry, caramel, and chocolate. Ooh, look at these, you guys. Fruit Loops, Ice Pops. It's almost popsicle season. It's almost here. Ooh, mixed berry breakfast essentials. 10 grams of protein, 240 calories. These are definitely new this week. And then the Frosted Flakes are still here. My kids really liked them. Oh, look, you guys. Harriet Claridge. Cute character collection. Luxury cookies and cream wafers. This one is chocolate cream. This one is strawberry flavored cream. Cookies and cream. Nice little variety. Oh, the Chavalines and the Diavolines are back. Those popped up last year. Now they're back again. My kids really like them. They're very coconutty. We have a variety pack of oatmeal. 6 in a pack. We also still have the Quaker varieties. Cocoa and sea salt. S'mores, and this variety pack is maple and brown sugar, apples and cinnamon and spice. This one sounds really interesting. Cocoa and sea salt, 6 to a pack. My kids really did like the s'mores. Traditional strawberry cake. We have microwavable jasmine rice. That's new this week. Cheese-alicious. These are new. Cheese crackers. Lots of cookies, fudge baked cookies, fudge stripe cookies, vanilla wafers. These are always good. My kids love the chicken crackers, the garden vegetable. There's another one too. There's a third variety, but I'm not seeing it. Scandinavian fiber crisp bread. These are definitely new for the week. And I'm guessing you can probably just get them here in Minnesota, maybe Wisconsin. I'm sure it's a regional find. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna see what else I can share with you and decide if I'm gonna film another video or not. But yeah, you guys, it was fun. I hope you enjoyed coming along. I love bringing you guys to this location because there's just so many items to look at. Like, the aisles are so long and it's always so well stocked. But all right, you guys, thanks again for coming along, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.